Hello, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter passwords and security. Go to lock screen, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and standard password. Let's start with the third one, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Now enter password containing at least 4 characters. Now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN number. Enter 4 to 16 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the phone. And now we can go forward to fingerprint unlock. Scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock. And now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Simply swipe up and it's done. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.